Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. They're going to show you how to set up the navigation bar here on your Samsung Galaxy M15. To set up the navigation bar, go to settings, then search for the display here, scroll down and search for the navigation bar here. And as you see, you can choose by buttons or swipe gestures. Yep, so this is the gestures and this is the buttons. Yep, there is a more option about it, so you can swipe the buttons and you can enable assistant app or disable it wherever you want. So that's it about the navigation bar. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.